Oh, hello. It's me again. It's Eugene again. Gotta make sure I'm not gonna get run over by a bloody tram. I think I'm gonna go through the city and see what the good people of Tallinn are up to. You know? Hello, lone wanderer. The crossing is just here. Just a couple of days ago I picked up this guy named Nolan. Apparently he ran out of gas and wanted a ride home. I agreed, of course, because I'm a nice guy. Well, on the other hand, he wasn't very nice though. He kept telling me to go faster and that I'm a dumbass. Oh well. I mean, you know, I could go faster, but I'm already a crazy bastard for buying a superbike like this. So why would I even take it any further than that? I mean, I was already going 70. Jesus, what do you want me to do? Maniac, calling the cops on you. Hello. Is this the police? Sunshine, lollipops and rainbows and everything. I've been looking at people race for twice now, and I've seen, you know, videos online of things bike related. I feel pretty confident now, yeah. I might soon be thinking about or considering speeding. It feels tempting, and I just feel like that would be fun and thrilling. I don't know where and when I'm gonna speed. Haven't planned it out yet, but I gotta do it soon, man. Gotta do it soon. Otherwise I won't be accepted into the biking community. Oh yeah, look at that. Taking corners like a pro. Now I gotta keep a safe distance. Half my speed, so 20 meters. It's about 10 meters now. What are you doing, mister? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. That's fine. No worries at all. Yeah, I got my homies. Oh. And I'm here. I made it. I'm gonna get some bits and bobs now. And then I'm gonna build something, I guess. Smoking hot outside. That was my buddy Jerome. Hello, friendo. Why don't we ride together? Oh, it's gonna be the awkward time now when we're side by side and trying to say goodbye. Oh dear. I'm just gonna follow the bus. You know, he surely knows where he's going, so I'm not gonna get lost. People have caused a jam. Hello, fellow traveler. Hello, road working man. Too bad the roads aren't very good. But then again, maybe you'd be out of work then. I don't know. Excuse me, mister. I'm afraid you're not aware of what you're doing. Sounds of the underground. Parking next to a pimp. Oh yeah. If I was in this business, I'd put my number on the side so people would know where to get quality escorting services. You know?